1, 2. What's that noise? Oh wow, Mom. Are you boiling water? Ooh, that's dangerous. Ooh, almost burned my hand. Let me buy you a better kettle, Mom. So as you can see with the old kettle, this old style kettle, you have to turn off, make that annoying sound, and you can also burn your hand easily. And I think there is also a rust problem right there. See that? Yeah, I don't like this style at all. Let's go ahead and go with electric kettle. I'm visiting my parents for the holidays and they're in desperate need of a new kettle. I do not like those old style kettles at all. They're noisy, they can be dangerous, especially open the water spout. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the Comfee 1.7 liter stainless steel electric kettle. Now it's available on Amazon for right under $20 and I actually recently reviewed the window version that's for $5 more. As you can see, it comes in this no frills box. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. Hope everybody had an awesome holiday. So this is part of probably like one of the Christmas presents that I got my parents. I think they're gonna definitely appreciate this. Comfee brand, I'm pretty familiar with it. I actually also purchased a multi-cooker rice cooker, so I'll be reviewing that in the upcoming review, so be on the lookout for that. Let's see what else. There is the cable and the bottom heating unit pedestal. That's about it. Straight out of the box, make sure you have the user's manual. Looks like this model CEK S002. And here is the bottom heating unit that you see. Pretty much all electric kettles have a similar design, but this one has rubber padding on the bottom so it doesn't scratch up your surface, and you can fold away your wiring so it doesn't interfere with your appliances. And some of the electrical output information: 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1500 watts, 1.7 liter capacity. And do not get this wet. All right. And here is the kettle in itself. As you can see, very nice stainless steel look and finish with the Comfee logo right there. Like I mentioned, this doesn't have the window unit, so you don't actually can see from the outside how much water you have left, but you save yourself about $5. By the way, it is made of 304 food grade stainless steel inner pot too. Okay, and here's what the bottom looks like. One press of the button, you can open it up. Like I mentioned, that stainless steel inner pot. I don't see any plastic that pretty much touches it, so you don't have to worry about any contaminants for boiling water. There you see the spot right there with the there's no removable filter, so it's hard set in there. Look like it's welded in there. Okay, so this is a very simple electric kettle. Let's go ahead and put it to good use. By the way, this has a built-in professional British Strix thermostat technology, prevents overheating and boil dry protection. Now, if you look down the inside, there is a minimum amount and a maximum amount. So it needs a minimum of 0.5 liters and a maximum 1.7 liters. That's it indicated right there. And it looks like inside it says food grade SUS 304, stating that it is safe use for consumption. All right, so I found a good location, my parents' kitchen. You know what? I'm actually gonna do a battle test. Since I'm an engineer, let's go ahead and test it out. Let's see which heats up faster between electric kettle and one of these regular kettles that you heat up on a stovetop. And I'm using the electric heating element kind. Okay, 1.7 liters has been measured here, and I poured it in here. I'm gonna use a timer. Okay, close that, and I'm gonna set that to high. Let's see which heats up faster. Here we go, guys. As soon as I turn this on, there you go. See, at the close to 2-minute mark, I can hear that it's starting to create a boiling sensation while that is still heating up. And that is on high too. I got a large burner on high. I'm also starting to hear that kettle heating up. Let's see which one start. I start seeing steam right here. I start seeing steam right there. Okay, beyond the 7-minute mark, I start seeing that boiling, it's shaking, but at the same time, that's creating steam right there. Oh, who can be the winner? You see the condensation on top right there? Come on there. Oh, that one, 7 minutes and 42 seconds. But I'm gonna wait to see how long it takes for a regular kettle because I'm curious too. All right, so for a regular one, it takes about 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Wow. All right, just as I predicted, almost a minute faster at about 50 seconds with the electric kettle. As you can see, the Comfee electric kettle does the job well, faster than a standard stovetop using a heating convection element. I'm pretty sure if it was fire, it might be comparable with electric kettle. Let's go ahead and check the water quality. Do you see some condensation on top? No worries. I don't feel any heat right there. Open up the spout. Do you see have boiling water for your favorite tea or drink or coffee? I do recommend it. It's affordable, Comfee brand that I trust. So I poured out all the water and here's what the interior looks like after first boil. Just want to check for any rusting. Any weird looking discoloration. Looks fine to me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is built to last, and I'll keep you guys updated in the description or comment section and how it performs. Go get yours today and create the perfect hot drink.